The truth is, you can't fail at being yourself. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it, and let's get right into it. So I truly think that you can't fail at being yourself, but the question is, what version of yourself are you trying to be? If you're the type of person that is always living for other people, or you're always living to attain a certain standard, or you're always living so that you can be like the next best person, so you can be like your neighbor, so you can achieve what your neighbor has or what the person next to you has or what your role model has, you will never get that person. You've already failed before you even start. The aim is to make sure that you're trying to be you're trying to be the best version of yourself, and really understand what that means. You're yourself, but you're lazy, you're not committed, you're always making excuses, you're always finding ways to blame other people, or it always seems that other people are the problem but you, then there's a deeper issue there. How is that the best version of yourself? You're not going to attain and achieve your dreams or your goals or whatever it is that you're trying to work for if you're going to make excuses, if you're always finding something wrong with other people but yourself, if you're very stubborn and you're always blaming other people. You have to take your power back. You can't lose when you're being yourself. If you know that you're being your true authentic self, you're not being influenced by other people, you're following your morals every single day, you're doing and taking the right path, you're focusing on your goal and how you affect other people around you, how you treat other people, then there's no way you can fail, because you're doing you. That's how you were made. That's the type of person you are, and no one else can be that. So the minute you try and work against who you are, then you've already lost. You're never going to attain that image that you're creating. If you're creating a fake image, if you're trying to portray that you're this person that you're not, you've already lost. It's impossible to attain that for a long period of time. So you might as well be yourself. Be the best version of you in the way you know how, and you will never lose. Okay. Thank you for joining me today. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below and let me know what your best trait is, and I'll see you next time.